Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Constructed on the land is a two-story residential building disposed over a gross floor area of approximately 3,426 square feet. The layout is as follows. Ground floor section of the building consists of one bedroom, one bathroom, a kitchen, a double-car garage, a pump room, and a underground water tank. Upper floor section of the building consists of a master bedroom ensuite with bathroom and closet, two bedrooms, two bathrooms, a kitchen, a living and dining room, and also a veranda. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. Price for this house is Jamaican $26.5 million or US $172.1 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.